Wash your feet. Already. We are done with your hair,
Thank you
man.
so much. This is literally perfect. And I do have to say as well.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So if you are new here, welcome. If you are old here, what's up? Okay, so today's videos is very requested and it is very special. So I had a lady reach out to me, ask me how do I curse my hair. So I am gonna be showing her how I curse my boho hair. So first of all, they do have so many different ways you can curse a boho hair. It's all depend what your clients want. And sometimes they just want crinkles, sometimes they just want you add the rock to it, or sometimes they just want you to add water, and sometimes they just want that hair to just leave like that. They feel like whenever the hair leave like this, you get them more volume and stuff like that. Um, Sometimes like I love to put hot water on the hair because once you put hot water on the hair, the pressure will come down a little bit and it will be so easy to manage. Okay, that's why I love to dip the hair. But today we are going to be doing just a regular normal dipping. And what I did when I was braiding this hair, I added a lot of curls at the bottom and add a little bit of braiding hair. So the braiding hair I am gonna be cutting it. That's what I'm doing right now. Just taking my time to cut the braiding hair, the remaining braiding hair. And sometimes it be very hard to find the braiding hair in there. That's the reason why a lot of people braiding why they be cutting as they go. But I didn't have time to do that, and it's gonna take me a minute to do that. So when I was braiding to secure this hair, and I was tying this hair like 3 times. So whenever I cut the remaining braiding hair, the hair that come out loosen out. That's why. And also I am gonna be dipping. So whenever I dip, the hair will be more secure. Okay. I'm just taking my time to find all the braiding hair, cut them off, and I'm gonna make sure be careful, don't cut the curls. Sometimes it be so easy to cut the curls. Okay. I'll be cutting the curls sometime, but you don't want to do that. And I will take my time and just find the braiding hair and cut it out. And I ordered this hair off Amazon. It's really good. So we are using a loose boho curls. And I'm going to leave the link down below if you are interested. And also I am going to be putting towel on her shoulder to protect her shoulder from the heat. A lot of people don't do too much heat. So I'm going to grab my click and click the towel on her shirt and make sure it's more secure. So whenever I use the hot water, the steam don't bother her. And I'm gonna separate my hair into two so that way it can be manageable when I'm dipping in hot water, because you gotta be very careful when you're doing hot water. You don't want to burn yourself or you don't want to burn your client. As for me, I would rather burn myself than to burn my client, because now it's my client come first and I try to protect them. So whenever I feel like the water wasting, I would rather burn myself than to burn them. And I'm gonna grab my water. It's have boiled, and I do have a little bowl at the bottom. So I'm gonna grab the bowl, add some water in it, and ask my client to tilt her hair down a little bit. You gotta be careful too. You gotta be fast when you're doing that, because you don't want to ask a client to tilt her hair. It be over there for like 2 minutes. That neck gonna get tired, that hair gonna get tired. So you gotta be careful on that part. And I'm gonna put my hand underneath the braid and pull it up a little bit, and start putting hot water on it. Yeah, and I'm gonna grab the other piece, do the same thing, pour hot water. I'm not really gonna put a lot of hot water, because the main reason we're doing hot water is just to put the hair into place, to be able to, just to make the hair manageable and stuff like that. But honestly, we don't really need hot water. But here we are, and I'm still gonna add a little bit of hot water and make sure the hair is dipped well. And the braiding hair is calm down a little bit. It's a lot of curves, and we are just talking, catching up some old good old day stuff, okay? And I'm gonna grab my towel Make sure be gentle, wipe a little bit, be very gentle. I don't want to pull too much because you don't want the curls to come out. And one thing, I always try to braid my curls in so the curls don't fall out. And this is the hair. It's cute. It is cute, y'all. It is cute. So I'm gonna fold the curls at the bottom. I'm gonna hold it here, fold the curls at the bottom. Do that so my curls can stay in place because whenever you dip the hot water, sometimes the curls will loosen out a little bit. So you just gotta be at work your way out so your curls can be still volume so they get it get a lot of volume. And I'm gonna be adding some olive oil. I've been seeing a lot of comment in the comment section. They be like, "Are you frying it hair?" Yes, ma'am. I am frying this hair. And I'm gonna be grabbing my brush. I'm gonna go ahead and brush the hair. And it's cute, it's shiny. The olive oil make it shine. Everything is on fleek. So this is the finishing look. It's really cute, it's pretty. So here what my client gotta say. Already, we are done with your hair,
Thank you
man.
so much. This is literally perfect. And I do have to say as well, I'm going to have to ask like I always do. I need that oil to go home as well. Your oil works perfect for my hair and it has truly helped my hair grow. So I'm definitely going to need another bottle to go.
Okay, thank
Okay?
you.
No
Yeah.
problem.
So you like your hair?
Of course I do. This is
So
so beautiful.
that's good. How was your series? What your like? How was your experience? I know this. I know it's not
I
your
think
first
it
time
was
you've
it
been.
was amazing. I've been here so many times. It just feels like home. I just love your family. I just love the atmosphere of just being here and just being one with each other. We're
Thank
women
you.
in Christ. So
Thank you.
just always is a
Oh,
blessing.
I
Always is a blessing.
appreciate.
I
I
love you
appreciate
too.
you. Thank you so much for